guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope everybody is having an amazing day. If you're new here, hi, my name is Becca, and this is Unfiltered Beauty. I welcome you to the channel. I hope you stick around and find something that you enjoy about it. Hopefully hit that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, definitely leave me a comment because I do answer back. I do want to say thank you for all of the well wishes and prayers that people sent out on my last video. I greatly appreciate it. As always, the people that support me, I always appreciate it. It is very much appreciated and keeps me going. So I'm super glad to be back. I hope y'all are just as excited as I am. Anyway, a couple videos back, I had asked if anybody would like to see what's in my backpack. I don't carry a purse. I do carry a backpack. And I did have one sweet subscriber say that she would like to see it. And I'm just going to do it anyway because I think it's interesting. I do watch a bunch of the what's in my purse, what's in my fridge, what's in my car, those type of videos. So I've never done one, so we're going to do one. This is my backpack. It is a boho backpack, I guess you would call it. Super soft, super pretty. Got the peace signs, 2 little pockets in the front. And I'm going to start with the front pockets, and then you can open it up and you have your bigger compartment inside. So in this little front pocket right here, this is my go-to pocket most of the day. If I need something, it's in there. So in that pocket, I have all of these goodies right here. So I have 2 hair ties. I have the new Buxom lip gloss that Stephanie just sent me in the color Froze. I love this. It's what I'm wearing today. It's what I've been wearing for a minute. I have my earbuds. Always need them. I have my mask just in case. I have one of the Sol de Janeiro lip gloss, the nude lip balm. I also have the Cab lip oil. I have my vape. I have my tattoo goo. I did just get a cover up. I did have my husband's name on my ankle. I wanted it covered up, and that is what my children got me for Mother's Day. So this is a must in my backpack right now. And then I have my little safety knife. Now, this is not to play with. I do keep it on me if I feel at any time I'm in danger or around somebody that I don't know. I'm not somebody who's scared to be out and about, but I am very well aware of my environment. And we'll just leave that at that. So that is my first little pocket. And then this pocket, we have my change purse. And in there I have my money, my change. I keep a spare retainer, nose ring, and then my mailbox key are all in my change purse. And then, of course, I have my wallet. It's just an expandable metal, no machines can get through it. I got it from BoxyCharm. It used to have something on it, but I've used it so much that has since left. So that's what's in my second pocket. Now, inside the big area, I have my keys to the house and my mother's house. I have this little bag, which holds all of my feminine kind of products. I have in this little bag is just some pins, hair ties, a lighter, a picture of the dogs, the vet card, some cinnamon toothpicks because I'm a smoker and I'm always worried about my breath stinking or smelling bad. So I do carry cinnamon toothpicks. And then a It Works Keto Energy Lemon Lime add to water drink thing. So that's what's in that little bag. The next little bag would be this one, and inside here is all medical stuff, from Band-Aids to my toothbrush and toothpaste. I am allergic to bees, so I do keep an EpiPen. I keep one in this bag, and then I keep one floating just in my bag. Cortisone 10, allergy pills, hand sanitizer, that kind of thing. I was always the mom that had the medical bag with her, and I still do, even though my children are grown and gone. Then I have an extra pack of cigarettes. I carry a flashlight, a package of tissues, a small hairbrush, the Ahava Mineral Body Lotion, Tylenol, my other EpiPen, just a spray of the Bodycology Dark Cherry Orchid, Banana Boat Dry Oil, SPF 4, the Thermal Spring Water Spray, the new Pacifica Body Spray and Lotion that Stephanie just sent me. I will say in the summer, I do my backpack according to the season. Right now I have a whole bunch of summer items, sprays and sunscreen and that kind of thing. I carry my planner in here. And then I carry my bathing suits. I have 3 bottoms, 2 tops. I have a little sundress, should I need it. And then I just have a little t-shirt, crop top, which is what I usually wear with just my bottoms. I also carry a set of chopsticks. I have the Intensifier Biosense Complex Australian Gold Indoor Tanning Lotion, 3 pins, and my towel. Now, the reason that I carry such things in the summertime, I live in Arkansas. We have so many lakes and rivers and that kind of thing, and you can have those days where so-and-so calls and says, hey, you want to go out on the boat? Hey, we're going to go skiing. Hey, we're going to go tubing. Whatever the case may be. And I'm always set. I can get off work and go catch up with whoever's doing what, wherever. In the wintertime, I put extra stocking caps or beanies in there. I put my gloves in there. I put an extra thick ear headband for wintertime in there. I carry a pack of the hot hands in there. I'm always prepared for the season, no matter what it is or where I'm going to go to. I've always been that way. It just works for me, so I continue to do it. I hope that you enjoyed being as nosy as I like to be and seeing what was in my backpack. So, yes, I do carry a lot of crap, but I am always prepared. So that was what was in my backpack. Let me know if you would like me to do some other type of video, or if there's something that you would like to see. Do hit that subscribe button if you like the video. Give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment. What did you think was the weirdest thing in my bag? I think that'll be great to talk about. So as always, please do be kind. Thank you for your continued support and love. I greatly appreciate it. Remember, without y'all, there's no me. And I will see y'all in the next one. So be kind, and I love y'all. Bye.